Day 3 on the Camry. It is all finished. Got it all back together last night, but turned it on this morning. It's fixed. There's no crazy noises. The box isn't buzzing or doing anything wonky. So as long as the customer doesn't go completely berserk, we should be good. But I will say, I have the subs tuned to the most physical point of what this car can handle. Is there more there? There's a little bit more in the tank. Will he have a car if he does it? No, he will not. That back window will start leaking, and then it's gonna flood his trunk full of water, which will be where all the equipment is, so it'll be very bad. People always say, no, you won't. It doesn't take much, but when you're flexing the glass that much, you separate it from the seals. Once the seals are separated, when you go through a car wash or it rains hard, water is just gonna dump right into the trunk. It's not gonna be a good thing. I'm gonna play it for you, and I don't know how well it's gonna come across on the microphone, but I will give you some audibles as I'm playing the music of when it's to a normal level, and then when it's to a, oh dear Lord, why is this in a 2020 Camry level? So this song should be copyright free. I pulled it from the YouTube audio library. That's the hardest thing, is trying to find music to play through these systems that sounds good, because a lot of the copyright free stuff's recordings are horrible and the bass just isn't there. But here we go. Sounds good. Let's get some bass. Okay, so now we're to a level of, that's a nice sounding system, man. What you got in there, right? Now let's go to 11. What the hell is that? Oh my God. Woo! Bro. There you go. I don't know how that come across on the microphone. It's so ridiculous. Now, I'm not saying I hate it. I'm a bass head. I love bass. I love ridiculous amounts of bass. My brain just doesn't really comprehend a 2020 Camry with that much bass. Like, I expect to be in an SUV or a big truck, and that's the problem, is this car physically just cannot handle that much pressure. If I were to roll up the windows and play that, I mean, it'd be hard to breathe. It just sucks the oxygen right out of your lungs, because it just creates a massive vacuum inside the cabin. So it's done though. He should be here in the next 15, 20 minutes to pick it up. That'll be gone. And then I need to give my ears a rest, because they are absolutely blasted from that car. Then I'm gonna finish the tune on the truck right there, and he's gonna be picking it up tomorrow. And that will be the end of the logs for a few days. So you won't see my pretty face. And that is because I'm gonna close for 3 or 4 days, because I need a break, and I need to do some stuff around here. So my next job, I think, is a brand new 2025 BMW SUV. I'm gonna be doing a dash cam and a rear cam on it. So that's gonna be here, I believe, on Wednesday. So you guys will see that. But other than that, take it easy. I'm gonna take some days off.